Hi there! Today we're gonna talk about the DIN connector. In our standard package, you will receive the cooler with the connector well installed. Some of our customers may ask about the configuration of the connector and its electrical circuit. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and click thumb up. First, grab your screwdriver and unfix it. After removing the connector, remove the screw and split the connector from the shield. This is a 3-pin structure. Number 1 and number 2 stand for live wiring, and the grounding symbol stands for the ground wiring. Now, we are going to connect the cables from the power to the live wires through the protection shield. Connect the red cable to pin 1 and white cable to pin 2. Earlier, I have mentioned that both pin 1 and 2 are for live wiring. Therefore, you could connect the cable either to pin 1 or 2. But make sure that 2 cables are connected at 2 different pins.